This is the Mixcder Model E9 active noise cancelling wireless headphones. It's only $54.99, so we're going to try and do this in a minute and see if it's any good, or is this one for the bin. Let's check it out in about a minute. I haven't put a watch on, but we'll see how we go. I know I tend to waffle and yeah, anyway. Nice little case with a cable if you want to go the wired route, a USB for charging, airplane adapter, warranty, and the unit itself. I like the simple design. That's not too shiny, got a bit of texture, it's okay. Headband feels all right. We'll have to see how we get on in use. Padding feels like it could be good, positive so far. On this side we've got an ANC on off with a little LED in there. There's the port for going wired. Relatively decent feeling plus minus buttons. USB input there. It doesn't feel like a particularly cheap unit. So let's get out and have a play and then reconvene and I'll let you know what I think about it. I've given these headphones a real good test on a couple of flights here and there about, and let's just say I'm happy. First of all, very comfortable fit. Can't hear myself talk properly now. Over a 6-hour flight, it was really absolutely fine. Now I tend to get relatively cold on a plane, and a big pair of cans like this helps. In fact, on the return flight, it was ridiculously cold, and these really did save my life. Probably the reason I don't have an actual cold right now from all the cold air. That's probably not what you're looking at for a pair like this, but they didn't get particularly sweaty or uncomfortable. Nice fit. In fact, I do like the simple design too. Very nice, classy. They were very easy to set up. Occasionally a slight lag with the controls, but generally pretty simple. Sound wise, the highs were decent, crisp, clean, no distortions there. Mids generally well balanced, good frequencies around the middle ends. And as for the bass, a little bit lacking, no real boom. Strange on the penultimate flight, and I had the music on shuffle, so very wide range of musical styles. Started off a bit lacking, underwhelming, and then it got better. I don't know if that was me getting used to being on board that particular flight or what, or the headphones just, who knows, but it wasn't so bad. The bass, in fact, kind of grew on me. Bit weird, I know. Battery life, actually very, very good. They lasted me the whole 6-hour flight with ANC on, basically at full volume. Very happy with that. I do tend to take longer flights, but 6 hours, pretty good. And I think it still had a lot of juice in it. Looking at the meter on my iPhone, and my iPhone's not that great, doesn't last very long anymore, but these, yeah, absolutely fine. Originally, before the flights, I was kind of putting the battery life at 7 out of 10, but I've got to really give it some praise. Not a problem at all with that. 8.5 out of 10, 9, yeah. About that active noise cancelling, yeah, not bad at all. Doesn't compare naturally to my expensive Bose, but, you know, still cut out the majority of the noise that annoys me, the lower frequencies on the flights, and was fine. Of course, you get isolating effect too with the nature of the cans. So yeah, clean. 7 out of 10, I reckon, for that. You can't really argue. Now, also, of course, as you know, you get nice little case right here, which I found was very decent. In fact, I added a whole bunch of other bits and pieces in there. My passport, some other little tiny things, and I added a very simple carabiner clip, and I was away. So that's a worthy addition. Some budget models only come with a little pouch. It is what it is. It's cool, but at least this, not hard but also not soft case, nice little addition, especially for the money. So what would I say? Yeah, if you've only got the budget for these, I think you'll be happy. If you're an audiophile, well, you've done well to get to the end of this video, because you're probably not that interested in these. But it's a nice, simple, well designed, well built, pretty decent sound quality, and for the money, yeah, good value, big thumbs up. So check it out. I'll put a link below. Let us know if you've tried these or anything else in the budget range that you'd recommend to us. That'd be cool too. Leave your comment below. I'll see you there.